Steve here from Advanced Global MSP Coaching. You can reach me at info@agmspcoaching.com. The question before us today is, does configuration items equal assets? The short answer is yes. The longer answer, well, let's jump into the admin module and talk about naming conventions for devices. So I'm in our demo database. We're looking at the basic tech dashboard. And the benefit of this dashboard is that these three widgets here organize the text day. I had a deep conversation with somebody today that just organizing the text day so that they have a work list that is they can work on at will, knowing when they're scheduled to work with a client, and then all the waiting tickets over here just organically makes them 10% efficient. So if you're struggling with tech efficiency and easing their stress, making sure that they're working on the right next ticket, shoot us an email. We're happy to have a conversation about how the Autotask dashboards can do the job. But we're going to go to the admin module. So I'm in the admin module. It's bookmarked because of this yellow star here, and with it bookmarked, I can get here in a single stroke. So we're going to go down here under devices. In your database, this could be called configuration item, could be called assets, could be installed assets, and there are several other names, but we're talking about devices. And up until a couple of minor releases ago, configuration items was here, but Kaseya decided that all configuration items and all installed assets should be called devices. So now the default naming convention is devices. I'm going to go up here, scroll up here to application wide, local terms and symbols.
Backup schedule of how often. So we are now complete with our onboarding backup checklist.
And under local terms and systems, you see your organization, and the options you have are client, company, business unit, site, customer, organization. This is a change also, changing to organization. It used to be called accounts. Accounts is still an option. The default now is company, but you do have all these other options. Devices, this used to be called configuration items, but what we had under here were these options: assets, installed product, configuration items, and now the default is devices. So all of these are talking about devices. So does a configuration item, and when you're working with Autotask documentation, it says to check out your assets or something about assets. We're talking the same exact thing, and soon everything in the documentation will say check your devices, check your devices. But these words are interchangeable in the Autotask landscape. There are some other configuration things you can change in here. And just for fun, I changed dollars to India rubles for a while, and that threw everybody for a curve. So, but anyway, these are some of your options. It's called local terms and symbols. It's in the Autotask admin, application-wide shared features, local terms and symbols, and then devices or configuration items, installed products are all right here in this drop down. You can set it what is best for you. I like the idea of devices because it keeps it confused with the other ways we use the word configuration. I hope this answers your question. If you need any other information, or if you'd like a copy of our ebook Unshackled, where we talk about this and a lot of other solutions to typical MSP problems, just let us know at info@agmspcoaching.com. Have an awesome day.